Hello friends, I'm Loren Runion and I am the voice behind all the meditations here on this channel. And I am sharing with you some really exciting news. Today I am announcing the launch of my brand new Yoga Nidra app, Intentionology. So I want to share with you why I created the app, what you can expect on the app, behind the scenes of what's inside the premium features of the app, and other really important things for you to know if you are curious about what is happening inside of Intentionology. What should we start with first? Let's start with why someone who practices on YouTube might want to come over and check out the app. Like, what features are available within the app space that aren't really here on YouTube? Did you know that they've done studies about how your stress increases just from notifications on your phone or logging into a social media space and seeing notifications or pop-up ads, which is really the exact opposite of what we want to happen when we're coming in for our Yoga Nidra practice. So within the Intentionology app, there are no ads. There will be no ads that pop up before, after, or randomly in the middle of your meditation, because YouTube chooses to do so. You will also have access to some really awesome features that I love. You will have advanced search filters. Within these advanced search filters, you will be able to find the perfect meditation for you and that day. You can search by time, you can search by focus, you can search by background preference. You'll be able to search by type of practice because I have multiple different practices within the Intentionology app, which we'll get to in a little bit. In addition to the advanced search filter, other features that are available within the app include being able to set a sleep timer. If you are someone who knows you're going to drift off to sleep and you want the meditation to stop at a certain time and you don't want to deal with it, there's a sleep timer within the app. You can loop a meditation so it plays over and over again. You will also have the ability to download the meditations to listen offline so that you can listen wherever you are, in the middle of the woods, on the top of a mountain, on the beach with no cellular network. You will be able to practice with me. You will also have the ability to save all of your favorite meditations and easily access these meditations when you come into the platform. One of the biggest reasons that I created this app is to help anyone who is coming to the practice wanting to really further their self-development or move the needle forward. This app will help you do that. And I did this because personally, I needed this. I really needed a lot of work when I came to the Yoga Nidra practice. And I found that I have done a lot of years of mindset work and somatic work and all the things. And everything really tied together once I started the Yoga Nidra practice. And the needle moved forward really fast for me within 6 months of practicing Yoga Nidra because I was able to apply everything else I learned with my practice of Yoga Nidra. And I really saw a huge difference in pieces of my life that I was really struggling to eliminate certain triggers or parts of my life that still had a lot of turbulence that I wanted to be a different way, but I couldn't, for some reason, undo the patterns that I had. And so I have brought these things into the Intentionology Yoga Nidra app, and I want to share with you some of the ways that I've done this. I've really focused on implementing and bringing to you pieces, tools of neuroplasticity that will help you create lasting change. And we do this a few ways when it comes to creating lasting change and using neuroplasticity. First, just a note about how we create change as adults. Our brain can change, and that's what neuroplasticity is. We can mold it and change it and undo these patterns and habits that we have. First, things have to happen. We have to have awareness around what it is that we're trying to change. What habit, what thing is it that we're trying to change in our life? One of the ways that I help you create awareness within the Intentionology app is through a monthly series. Each month within Intentionology, we have an intention that we focus on. This intention is the driving force of how I create meditations and offer them to you throughout the month within the app. Here's what I mean by that. I offer a monthly curated series based off of the intention that we have for the month. The monthly curated series has 4 Yoga Nidras. 2 of them are regular Yoga Nidras, varying in length and time. They focus on the intention that we have set for the month. And then 2 of the meditations are Yoga Nidras, but they are sleep meditations. So each month you're getting 2 brand new sleep meditations. And that's really powerful. So I don't know how much you know about the subconscious mind, but when we're practicing Yoga Nidra, we are accessing the subconscious mind because of the brain wavelength states that we go into. Also, when you sleep and you're drifting off to sleep, it's a really powerful time, just like Yoga Nidra, to reprogram the mind. And so each month you're getting 2 brand new sleep meditations that focus on the intention and allow you to work with the intention in this really powerful state of Yoga Nidra, as well as when you're drifting off to sleep. So we create awareness in our life with intentionology through first having a focus, having an intention that we're working with. Like, we can't really move the needle forward on anything in our life unless we are focused on something and aware of what it is that we're changing or working on. Also, in the monthly curated series, there is a monthly mindfulness journaling. And this journaling can be done however you like, but it is an opportunity for you to sit down and ask yourself really powerful questions. I don't know if you've heard the saying that the quality of your life is based off of the quality of the questions that you ask yourself. This will give you the chance to ask yourself really quality questions to move the needle forward and create awareness, because without awareness, we cannot create change. I personally don't like to journal, like sit out and write it down on a piece of paper, but I do like to ask myself questions and I like to sit with them. So you can take these questions that are there, print them out, and then sit with them all month long. Maybe put one, cut it out, put it in your car, one on your mirror, and allow these questions and answers to just be in the background of your life as you go about normal daily business and see what comes to you, see how everything starts to unfold. So once we create awareness, we need repetition in order for us to create change. And the way that you're going to get repetition on the intention every month is a couple ways. There is a daily class, and the daily class will be a suggestion that you could come in, eliminate decision fatigue, and just come on in and take the daily class. And I will choose daily classes that will in some way help you align with the intention that we have for the month. There's also a daily intention, and the daily intention is a way for you to connect back with your intention every single day. You'll see a rotation of 3 different types of intentions within this daily tab. One's going to be an affirmation. So you can have the affirmation that you can work with that day, post it, write it on your mirror. One is going to be in the form of a powerful question that you can ask yourself to create more awareness. And then the third way that you're going to connect back with the intention is through a really inspiring quote. We also obviously get repetition with the monthly curated series Yoga Nidra meditations. You can practice this on repeat over and over and over again. The other really exciting thing that's happening within Intentionology App is that there's more than Yoga Nidra to help you balance your nervous system and to bring more well-being into your life. And so I have other practices to support you in that goal. You'll find a growing library of other practices like restorative yoga. I even have some restorative yoga classes that you can do in bed to help you prepare for sleep. Affirmation meditations, traditional meditation, and breath work. And those are all a growing library that I will continue to add to as time progresses so that you have multiple tools at your disposal. I also have plans to add in EFT tapping, if you're familiar with that, another powerful way to help you create change, to help you regulate your nervous system, and it would be a really exciting addition within the app. Let's talk about premium access, free access, trial, all the good stuff. For October 2024, I am running a launch special where you can access the app for 40% off the yearly pricing. So I have a monthly, a quarterly, and a yearly subscription, and for the month of October 2024, you get 40% off the yearly price, and you lock the price in for life. You'll have it forever as long as your subscription is active. Then it will renew at the locked-in founding members discount price of $59 a year, which is a steal. I am also running a special for the month of October that you can have a 14-day trial. So if you want to come on in, you want to sign up for the premium content and access everything that there is in the app, then you will be able to try it for 14 days, and it's normally 7. But let's say you're not sure about any of this, or an app isn't in the budget. You can still come and download the app and you can still access 8 free meditations that are available to you to practice to your heart's content. And they are there, and you don't even have to sign up for a trial. I think that's it. I have recorded this 4 million times. That's all I can think of to tell you. I want to say thank you for being a part of this community and for practicing with me and sharing my meditations, liking the meditations, subscribing to the channel. Everything that you've done up to this point has allowed me to make this dream come true, and I appreciate your support and you being here, and I hope to see you in the app. I hope to hear what you think about the app. If you download it and you start practicing with me in a subscription, or even just trying the free meditations, a really great way to support me and to support this app and the free meditations that I offer here on YouTube is to leave a review of the app within your mobile device app store. That will greatly help me out, and I would be so appreciative. Thank you for being here. And just to answer any question that you may be having in the back of your mind, I am still posting meditations on YouTube. That's not going away. You're still going to have free access to all of my meditations here on YouTube, and all of my YouTube meditations go into the Intentionology app. You will get access to any YouTube meditations early in the app, usually about at least a week early. Then they go onto YouTube, and then there is always exclusive content within the app that is never available on YouTube. Come check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the app, about the special, about anything when it comes to this, and I will be glad to answer, and I hope to see you in the app space.